Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today I will let to show you the way how you can create any ringtones from any songs only with your iPhone. So you don't need computer to do that. You only need to install one application called GarageBand. How to download it? You just need to open your app library, and then you just need to type into the app library here, the App Store, and right after you got them, just open to by click it. Now tap into the search button, and then you just need to type here the GarageBand. Just tap it, and then you just need to wait until the application is loaded. Make sure that you already tap into the GarageBand here with this symbols or icon, and then you just need to tap get over here and follow the instruction by double click to the power button to confirm that you want to download this application into your phone. And then you just need to wait until the application is perfectly open, and then you can get an access to create your own musics, as well as convert the musics that you have on your phone into the ringtone or recorder file. Right after you got those files, now you just need to open the settings, and then open the sound haptic settings, and then you just need to open into the sounds haptic by scrolling down here, and then you just need to tap into the ringtone, and right after that you will get the ringtone that you saved from the GarageBand right here, and then you just need to tap it to choose them. So basically that is the way how you do that. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.